Hi friends, it's Barry, and today I want to solve this Oxford University Maths challenge with you. We have a function f of x equals x squared minus 5x plus 7, and we want to find the minimum coordinates of the new function f of x minus 2. So today I will use the derivative to solve this question. Let's write down our function again. F of x equals x squared minus 5x plus 7. So we find the derivative by writing f prime of x, and here we can use the power rule. 2x minus 5, and then the derivative of the constant term 7 is 0. So once we find the derivative, we want to set it to 0. And then, so 2x minus 5 equals 0. That gives us x equals 5 divided by 2. So as a reminder, so let's first draw a function. It would be a quadratic, be a parabola opening upwards, because the coefficient of the term x squared is greater than 0, is 1. So it opens upwards like a smile. And by finding the derivative, we are asking, at what point along the parabola is the tangent to that point 0? So if we draw a line here, then this line is flat. So derivative is 0, meaning the rate of change of the function at this point is 0. Now we have found that the x coordinate is 5 divided by 2, and we want to know what the corresponding y coordinate is going to be. 5 divided. So now to find the y coordinate, all we have to do is to substitute the point 5 divided by 2 to our function. So we 5 divided by 2 squared minus 5 times 5 divided by 2 plus 7. So that is 5 squared, 25, 2 squared, 4, minus 5 times 5, 5 divided by 2 plus 7. Let's deal with these two terms first. That gives us 25 divided by 4 minus 50 divided by 4. So we have minus 25 by 4. Then we can turn 7 into 28 divided by 4. So now at y value be 3 divided by 4. So I like this. Write y 3, 4. So that's pretty good so far. Except the question wants us to find the minimum coordinates of f of x minus 2. So we have to think about what happens when we take away 2 from the input. So we already found the function attains its minimum at f of 5 divided by 2. What that means is we know we can find the minimum when inside this bracket of the function of x is 5 divided by 2. So we have the same thing here. We want whatever is in the bracket to be 5 divided by 2. In other words, we want x minus 2 to be 5 divided by 2. So we can solve for x, see that 5 divided by 2 plus 2 is 9 divided by 2. So 9 divided by 2 is greater than 5 divided by 2. So if we look back at the graph here, a bit as the whole parabola sort of shifting a bit to the right, okay, which is a bit counterintuitive because you would minus the x go to the left, but as we have done the maths here, we minus the x actually moves the whole function to the right. And also notice that this doesn't change the y value of the point. So we already have our answer, which is the minimum coordinates point of the function f of x minus 2, the new x value, 9 divided by 2, then the y value is divided by 4. So that is the answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. You learned something new, comment, like, subscribe, because I'm curious to know how you solve this problem. So let me know, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.